Welcome back, my loves. So today is episode 6 of our Thanksgiving series, and today I will bring you this delicious and creamy velvety mashed potatoes. Simple, very quick and easy, but it's one of the favorites on Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead and jump into today's recipe. I paired it alongside my pot roast from yesterday. So let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. So let's just go ahead and dive right on in. So this is episode 6 and I'm going to be making the mashed potatoes. So I'm using some Yukon Gold potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes that you prefer. I find that Yukon Gold give the best texture, and that's in my opinion. Use whatever you have. Don't expense yourself. You're also going to need a stick of butter. I know I have 2 here. One is going under my butter dish, so don't worry about that. You're going to need some heavy cream. And for seasonings, I'm going to be using garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, some chicken bouillon, and 6 cloves of garlic. Now this is a very small portion that I'm going to be making, guys, so if you're going to be making this for Thanksgiving, triple or double your amount. First, you want to go ahead and put a pot of water to boil, which you're going to be cooking your potatoes in. Go ahead and drop your garlic in your water. Now you can also do this by confit the garlic, which pretty much means you cut your garlic in half, drizzle with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, wrap it in foil, pop it in your oven for about an hour or so. Then it's going to give a nice roasted kind of garlic. I'm not doing that today, so I'm going to put the garlic directly in the water that I'll be boiling the potatoes. And then you want to go ahead and season your water. I'm using chicken bouillon to season my water. You don't have to. You can use salt. I think that adds a little bit more flavor. And let's go ahead and drop our potatoes in. Now you want to go ahead and peel your potatoes and then go straight ahead and wash it. Cut them down so you can cook faster. I normally peel mine and cut them down in like little cubes. That'll allow it to cook a lot quicker. So once you cut them up, you want it to be in nice little cubes like this. Go ahead and add it to your water. Now bring your water to a boil. I like to add my potatoes to my water and then bring my water to a boil. Everybody does it differently. I love putting my potatoes in and then bringing it to a boil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Let this come to a boil and then we'll check back. My potatoes are finished, and keep in mind that I'm doing literally a quarter of the recipe that I'll typically do for Thanksgiving. So you know the drill. If you're going to be doing a batch for Thanksgiving, add more potatoes. This is literally just for my house for dinner tonight, so I'm doing that to show you guys. Anyways, so my potatoes are finished, and I have skin on my potatoes. Some of it has skin, some don't. That's how I like mine. Peel it all the way off if you like it like that. So let's go ahead and mash this. Now first you want to go ahead and warm a full stick of butter, and you're going to do a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Bring that to a boil, and that's going to be added to your potatoes. Here's my trick when it comes to getting the smoothest and the creamiest potato, guys. I typically use my ricer, but my ricer is broken. So what you want to do is pretty much go ahead and get a spoon and a sieve, and you're going to just press your potatoes down through the strainer and then just scrape it down from the bottom there. So when you do that, you're going to get a very nice smooth consistency. So let me show you. All right, so as you can see, super smooth. You want to make sure you scrape every piece off. And you can also do this in your stand mixer. You can put it in the mixer. I just didn't want to do that today, so oh well. And how much you have, you're going to go ahead and now add your cream and your butter mixture. So I'm going to add a little bit to mine. And then you're going to slowly mix it in, and you're going to see you get a nice smooth velvety kind of why did I say mac and cheese? Mashed potatoes. So as you mix that in, go ahead and add your seasonings to this too. So your black pepper, onion powder, and your garlic powder. And then keep mixing this in until everybody is nicely married together. And here it is, final product. This is my super delicious creamy mashed potatoes. I served it alongside the roast that I made yesterday. I'm gonna leave that link in the description box so you can check that video out also. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Super creamy and delicious. So sorry, try that ricer method or the calendar method, or you can also try the I'm lost for words, but anyways, you can try the stand mixer method. Same way, you'll get nice smooth. Look at this, smooth and delicious, melt in your mouth mashed potatoes. So once again, thank you so very much for joining me. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until next time, thanks for keeping up with my Thanksgiving series. Have a blessed one.